This guy made over $1.4 million from just one YouTube channel, and he's still making $23,000 every single month from it. And the best part, he didn't hire expensive editors or a full team of freelancers. So how did he do it? Let's rewind and break down the journey of how this young creator turned a dying dream into a $1 million empire with nothing but a clever niche, some smart strategy. At first, like many beginners, he tried his hand at a few trending niches. He jumped into the top 10 video scene and failed. Then he tried the compilation niche and failed again. Disheartened and ready to quit, he stumbled upon a unique YouTube channel called Neotech. This channel combined original lo-fi music with visuals from The Simpsons, creating an emotional, nostalgic vibe that people loved, and it was making thousands. That's when inspiration hit. He decided to launch his own channel, Lofi Girl, but instead of using random music or copying what others were doing, he had a different approach. He wanted to target a specific audience, people looking for study music or relaxing instrumental beats. So he dove into platforms like SoundCloud and Spotify, researched relaxing instrumental tracks, and compiled them into a 2-hour video. For the first 15 hours, it was dead, 0 views. Max almost gave up, but then the YouTube algorithm picked it up. Overnight, the video hit 45,000 views, and his channel completed 4,000 hours needed for monetization. One of the videos even got 50 million views. But none of this matters if you don't understand the exact strategy he used. The same strategy that took him from zero to success without getting demonetized or hit by copyright strikes. Now here's how you can make these lo-fi videos legally and effectively. You don't need to download copyrighted beats. That's a one-way ticket to a strike. Instead, go to Music GPT, an AI music generation tool. Just describe the vibe you want. Select instrumental only and let the AI create copyright-free music for you. Download the audio and you're good to go. Next, you need visuals. This is where the magic happens. Use Sora AI to create cozy animated loops. Alternatively, you can generate a free AI image using ChatGPT and animate it with DGen AI. Add subtle sound effects like rain or soft typing music using the Music GPT again. It's all about crafting an atmosphere, not just music. But here's the real secret that made Max unstoppable. While others were uploading basic lo-fi videos, he noticed a behavioral pattern. Viewers weren't just listening, they were looping the content. So Max launched a 24-hour live stream of carefully curated lo-fi beats. No ads, no interruptions, just a peaceful, never-ending stream perfect for studying, coding, or escaping noise. And the result? His channel soared in YouTube search rankings and pulled in over 600 million views. What made it even more special was the animated lo-fi girl. He commissioned a gentle animation, a girl studying in her room, headphones on with rain falling softly outside. It had a Studio Ghibli-inspired feel. She didn't talk, didn't blink, she just studied. That subtle emotional touch made people connect. His click-through rate, and YouTube began recommending his stream constantly. The stream's title was simple and SEO optimized, exactly what people searched for. Because the stream never ended, it kept gaining watch time, engagement, and loyalty. Students, developers, and night owls all tuned in. It was on screens across dorm rooms, offices, and late-night study desks. Then came a shocking moment. In 2020, YouTube mistakenly took the stream down over a copyright error. After it had been running for over 13,000 hours, the internet exploded. #BringBackLoFiGirl started trending. Memes flooded Twitter. The outrage turned into free publicity. When the steam came back, it grew even faster. Today, Lofi Girl is a global brand with over 15 million subscribers, billions of hours watched, multiple streams, earning Max thousands passively. Now, most people dismiss this niche, calling it saturated, but what they don't realize is it's evergreen. The demand for calming music never fades, and with the right strategy, like Max used, you can build something powerful too. If you found this story valuable, don't let it end here. Use the tools I mentioned, Music GPT, Sora AI, DGen AI, and start creating. And if you want in-depth strategies and hands-on help to get your channels off the ground, you can ask it down in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, then why not hit the like button and hit subscribe if you don't want to miss future videos like this one.